Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a PDF file to your Shopify store. This is helpful if you want to share manuals, size guides, or any other downloadable documents with your customers. We will go step by step so you can follow along easily. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left side menu, click on Content, then choose Files. This is where all your uploaded files will be stored. Click on the Upload button. A window will appear where you can select your PDF file from your computer. Once you upload it, Shopify will create a unique link for this file. You will see the link in the Files section. Copy this link because we will use it to add the PDF to your store pages or products. For example, if you want to add the PDF link to a product description, go to Products, then select the product you want to edit. In the Product Description Editor, highlight the text where you want the link to appear. Click the Insert Link button and paste the PDF link.